When it gets, when you're kind of like not feeling so good, Hilda always says, have one of those hot tea toddies. Now, we got a tea bag. What I like here is a little cinnamon stick. I'll take a little slice of lemon and try to jam it down in the bottom like this where the bag is, you see? A little bit of honey goes a long way. Now, if you can keep it just as simple like this for those cold days, or you can kick it up a notch, depending how you're feeling. So Hilda would say, kick it up a notch. I'm going to use just a little bit of scotch. Is that all right with you guys? Just a little thimble. Because it's cold. Doesn't that sound good? We'll take a little bit of nutmeg. We'll take our little water here now. Oh, yeah, babe. I'm feeling better already. Aren't you guys feeling better already?